an exquisite custom-built home nestled on a premium-sized lot within the desirable Dunbarton community of Pickering. Welcome to 1830 Appleview Road. 50 feet wide and 420 feet deep, this exceptional property boasts an amazing backyard oasis backing onto a ravine setting and a creek, concrete walkways to the backyard and front entrance, an attached garage with ample driveway parking, as well as a stone and brick home with just over 2,200 square feet of interior living space, plus a fully finished walkout lower level. The glass inserts of the front door and side lights, as well as the transom, complement the arched ceiling of the stately front entrance, which opens into a spacious foyer, welcoming you into an open-concept main level with 9-foot ceilings and graciously sized principal rooms, as well as showcasing hardwood or tiled flooring, pot lighting, crown moldings, and California shutters throughout. In the living room is an oversized east-facing window with 2 accent windows, below which is a deep ledge finished with hardwood and ideal for indoor greenery. While bringing warmth to this elegant room is a gas fireplace surrounded by a luxurious floor-to-ceiling stone mantel with a recessed art niche and accent lighting. Above the dining area is an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling, and for ambient lighting, an elegant chandelier accented with a medallion. And another coffered ceiling can be seen in the stunning custom-designed kitchen. Showcasing a heated tiled floor with a mosaic inlay, the kitchen also features a stainless steel built-in gas cooktop, side-by-side fridge-freezer, dishwasher, oven, and an extra-wide undermount sink, a granite counter with a tumbled marble backsplash, as well as dark-stained cabinetry, with some of the upper cabinets having textured glass panels, especially above the peninsula. Off the kitchen is the walkout onto a huge raised wraparound deck that overlooks the expansive backyard. Fully fenced and lined with trees, this outdoor oasis showcases an in-ground pool surrounded by a concrete deck, as well as a second wood deck off the pool's cabana, and the yard stretches further beyond the pool area, past a large vegetable garden and ending at the ravine's edge. While in addition to these outdoor spaces, there is a stone patio area beneath the raised deck that is also accessible from the lower level, and the garage has a rear set of doors and concrete stairs leading down to the yard as well. The main level additionally features a powder room that has a vanity finished with a stone counter, a hammered metal basin, and a mosaic tiled backsplash, a foyer with floor tiles laid on the diagonal, access to the garage, and a double coat closet, as well as hardwood staircases to the upper and lower levels, the railings showcasing double-twisted and scrolled wrought iron pickets, with the upper staircase curving as it gracefully carries to the second level, which features hardwood flooring throughout, 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and California shutters on most of the windows. The second bedroom has a vaulted ceiling above an oversized east-facing arched window and its 2 accent windows, as well as 2 single closets, while the third bedroom has a double closet and a west-facing exposure with backyard views. Both bedrooms share access to a 5-piece Jack and Jill washroom, which features tiled finishes throughout, a soaker tub with a handheld shower, a vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and upper cabinets with textured glass panels, as well as a separate shower area with glass door and rain shower. The hallway showcases crown moldings, wall sconces, a skylight above the staircase, and along its west wall is a glass block window for natural light and privacy, while through a double-door entry is the master bedroom, an incredibly spacious retreat with a triple-sided gas fireplace spreading cozy warmth throughout the room. This bedroom also features a double closet, an ensuite laundry room with storage cabinets, a tiled floor, a stone counter, and a front-load washer and dryer. Its gorgeous 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes, a vanity with stone counter, undermount basins, and upper cabinets with textured glass panels, a step-up jetted tub with a handheld shower, as well as a separate shower area with glass door and rain shower, while windows with west and east-facing exposures allow for abundant natural lighting, with pot lights providing additional brightness. This home also features an upgraded roof, furnace, and windows, includes all existing electrical light fixtures, a garage door opener with a remote, a backyard shed, as well as all pool equipment, and its fully finished walkout lower level was recently renovated as well. Featuring laminate flooring, pot lighting, and large above-grade windows, as well as a raised tiled landing with its walkout to the yard, this level brings additional living space to the home and is also ideal as an in-law suite. The spacious recreation area has a fireplace with a stone-tiled facade, as well as a mirrored door double closet, and can be converted to include a bedroom. And this level also features a 4-piece washroom with tiled finishes and a Euro-style vanity, a laundry area with washer and dryer, as well as a kitchen with wood cabinetry and a tiled floor and backsplash. Backing onto the Dunbarton Creek Ravine and just a short walk to Bonita Park and William Dunbar Public School, access to Highway 401 is just a 3-minute drive, and the Petticoat Creek Conservation Area, places of worship, community and recreational facilities, golf courses, the GO Station, and the Pickering Town Centre Mall, as well as the Brookdale Centre, Steeple Hill, and Amberley shopping plazas, are also just short drives away.